This is HelpscreenThis is how to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. So this is a step-by-step guide, so follow along that I'm going to show you on the screen. So guys, first thing that you need to do is open up your Cash App on your phone. And then after that, tap on this icon over here and a drop down will show and just tap on the Bitcoin. And then after that, just type in the Bitcoin amount you want to transfer and then hit send at the bottom. And then after that, guys, you will need to provide your Bitcoin wallet address to the address that you are going to send your Bitcoin to. And then after that, once you have provided your address, just tap on confirm and then tap on the next in the top right corner. And then after that, enter in your Cash App PIN. And then once you have entered it, just tap on next. And then from there, you're going to select a withdrawal speed. You will have an option priority, rush, or standard, and just choose any. And then after that, just tap on next. And then from there, just tap on confirm and send. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.